Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this instance, I'm going to go over a little bit of Gradebook. I've had a question from the Gradebook, and one of the questions is how to change or override a student's grade if you see something that needs to be regraded. And this is one of the ones that I'm going to do for that. Okay, if there are any other topic that you would like to see, right, in terms of a small tutorial, please let me know, right? You can always put a comment. Let me know in the comments if there is anything that you would like to see. So in terms of Gradebook, if you want to override a student's grade, this is what you can do. You go over to the Gradebook, click on it. Once you're in Gradebook, then you can see students' grades, right? Or you can click on the star. But if you go to students' grades, you can see the students' grades in here. Again, in this class, I'm the only student, right? So you click on here, click on the oval here, the grades, right? So once you're in here, you'll see anything that's been done. Again, I don't have any submissions for that, but I submitted something for this quiz sample. If you want to change your grade, all you have to do is really click on the circle, right, or that oval. And once you get in there, then in here, you will actually see the questions with the grades. Now you can go into a question individually and change your grade, or you can go over here to the grade. If you click on it, notice that it's gonna allow you to change anything you want on there. Now this is in point format, so make sure you keep track of that and keep that in mind. I can't put 100, right? Because this is not out of 100 points, it's out of 20 points. So out of 20 points, let's say I'm gonna give half the credit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 10. That's when I hit enter, it changes, and then it also gives you this undo override. So if you wanted to just undo anything you did, you could click undo override. Okay, and once you have that, if you go back to the grades, all right, let's go back to the Gradebook. Notice that this has changed. It's been updated to 10 out of 20, so the grade has been changed. Thank you. I hope this helps you out.